Hey friends, this is Srinivas and we are going to make an RGB LED bulb in the next few minutes using just 4 components: an Arduino chip, a Bluetooth transmitter, a LED panel and a 9-volt battery. Oh yes, I forgot a thing, this wires. Okay, so using this 4 components or 4 or 5 components, we will complete the entire project, and I will be giving a link in the description through which you can change the light of this LED panel by just scrolling your fingers on that app, and the light will be changed as per your choice. The room will be lit as per your mood. So let's move to our experiment table and complete this project. So friends, we are on my experiment table and we are going to start with the following components. So there is an option for you. If you want not to use battery for your home, you can do that by just simply a mobile charger circuit, or if you want that I should make a mobile charger circuit for you, just note down in the comments and I will make that circuit for you. Moving on to the first component, this is our Arduino Uno chip, and as you know it contains a microcontroller Atmega 328P. This is the microcontroller Atmega 328P. So this stores the entire codes of your project that you are coding, and this instructs all the other components on this circuit to act accordingly. So these are the digital output pins from 13 to 2. You can see that we can take the digital output out of there. So we are going to connect the LED pins to this points. We are using actually RGB and a ground. So the ground will be connected to the ground port, and 13, 12 and 11 we are going to connect the R, G and B here. Next is our power options. So we are using the 9-volt battery, so we'll put the connection of the 9-volt positive to the V in and the negative terminal to the ground. You can see that there are 2 ground ports. You can use any of the port for this experiment. There are some analog inputs also. If you want that you are using some external resistances in the circuit, you can put the value to this analog inputs and they will act accordingly. There is a 16 MHz crystal oscillator in the circuit, another microcontroller through Atmel only. There is an external power option also. You can put the power pin to this external port and supply to your experiment also. Your entire codings to this pin and it gets stored in this microcontroller chip. If you want that I should explain all the parts of this Arduino Uno chip, just comment down and I will make a video on it, and that what are the parts of this Uno chip. And let's move on to the next component. This is our Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, and you can see there are some of it is written as RX DX. Simply I will tell you a thing, that where it is RX you have to connect the RX pin to the TX pin of this microcontroller. Here it is the TX pin, and the RX, that is the output from here, you will connect to the TX pin of this Bluetooth receiver and transmitter. So by connecting, it works on a power supply of 3.6 volt to 6 volts, 3.6 volt to 6 volts. So we are going to give it around 5 volts. Here you can see there is an output pin of 5 volts also. So from there we are going to take a 5 volt supply and we are going to give to this circuit, so it will work down. Next is our main thing, that is the LED panel that we have made by soldering all the RGB LEDs. You can see that it is a very complicated. I have done the soldering. I will give you the circuit of this also in the description. This is just simple. You have to connect all the LEDs, meaning R to R in series. You have to connect all the R ends of this LEDs in series, and you have to give out a pin to this. We are going to connect this to the microcontroller, and this one I have used for the ground supply. The black one, this is the ground for, and it is actually there are 4, so it is R, G, B and 1 ground. I have also created a QR code for my app. So by this QR code you can download the app and you can install this app in your phone, and you can change the color. I will be giving the link also, and if you want to know that how to create this QR code, you can comment. I will make a video on that also. And next, simplest thing, I am using a 9-volt battery. This battery will be giving power supply to our Arduino Uno chip. And or you can simply connect this port, D-type port, to your computer, and it will also give you the power supply to this chip. So next we will be assembling all these things, and by some these wires we will be completing this project. Okay, so let's begin. So friends, as you can see, I have completed the circuit, and now the LED has started glowing. So next we will complete all the other things in dark so that you can differentiate the colors. And I have already downloaded that app, and you can see that it shows the RGB LED controller, and the app looks like something like this. And we will control the app settings. You can see that this is green, this is yellow, this is pink, and how the colors will look in dark. You will see there is a Bluetooth list. You can just connect it from here, and it will show as being connected. And now we will do the experiment in dark so that you can differentiate the colors. Let's move on. Lights off, please. The lights are off now, and you can see that our LED glows something like this, and this is one color, this is green, and this is blue, and this is red. There are different colors. You have seen there are different colors. And now I will be going to show you the app to which you are connected. See, our LED Bluetooth is visible here, so it will be connected. So now it has been connected, so the light glows dim, and we will be connecting the app to a blue color. So this is blue. Next we should connect, the light should glow red. So red on, click on red. So this is red. Next we will changing into green. So where is the green color? Here it is green. So green should lit up. So it's green now. Next we will turn to red once more. So it's red, and we will turn to blue. So it's changing to blue. Next is some mixed color, that is white. Some yellowish shade we will take. So this is yellow. Some bluish shade. This is blue shade. Next we will move to pink. This is somewhat like pink. 1 minute. So this is pink, and there is purple. and there are millions of colors you can change from it. See, I am swiping my fingers on it, and there are lot of colors are being coming out of this. You can see the hash code being generated at the bottom. From there you can also see that. I have given all the links of this app in the description, and all the codings I have done in the description. You can download the codings from my description. You can download this app, and I have also listed the Bluetooth from where I have purchased. You can purchase it from my link and you will get it from there. And enjoy this making this app. You can make this app for your college projects, for your own fun, for your home, and this will be going to be a very cheap project, and this entire thing will be going to be very cheap. So thank you for watching, thank you for being with us. Bye bye.